Hey Bobby, Rory here. I've been practicing your routine today and I about got it down. I wanted to show you what I have. And also I had some ideas like at the end. We could probably work in a toss, I think, at the end of this, after we do everything instead of repeating everything again. We can work that out on Friday, but I wanted to show you this video of me doing this routine just so you can give me any pointers if I'm messing anything up early on and I can work on before we get there. Great job at recording this, and I appreciate all the effort that you've put into this very, very much. And I'm so excited. It's like a dream come true to actually twirl with somebody. I've never wanted to be a feature twirler by myself. I've always wanted to be a part of a majorette line, and that's how I twirl. We need to talk fast. You catch. Turn her around. I catch. And we figure it out from there. What do you think? Let me know.